Class 2, Teacher Joy realized when I pressed stop on the video that I didn't do the 3 times table with you. And I thought to myself, it feels like I missed out on something. And then I went back and I looked at the video and I thought, oh my goodness, I said I was going to practice the 3 times table for you and I completely forgot. So let's get to it then, because I think it is one that some of us really, really, really enjoy, but some of us, we are not too sure of our numbers yet. And it's actually one of my favorites. The 3 times table and the 6 times table are my 2 favorites. And maybe you will figure out why it is that it is my favorites. Maybe I think when we write, I'll give you a clue. Class 2, when we write our 3 times tables, the numbers down, and we look at them and we put them next to the 6 times tables numbers, maybe you'll see why the 2 are my favorite. But that's for a later lesson. That is for tomorrow, not for today. So then we will look at it tomorrow on Thursday, okay? So now let's get to our 3s. So let's see if we remember our tune. So we're going to find our note. And remember the tune goes. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, 30, 33 and 36. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, 30, 33 and 36. Now I'm going to do something this morning that I haven't done on a video yet, but I've done it in class with you, and you might have remembered that sometimes when I sing the times tables with you, I show you with my fingers how many of that number we find inside the one number. So if we're counting in 3s, class 2, which we are doing now, we're counting in our 3s. So we would ask ourselves, how many times do we find 3 in the number that we are singing? And our fingers tell us. So if I go 3, 6, 9. So if you look at it, 3, how many 3s you have? 1. 6, we have 2. 9, we have 3. So the fingers that I show you tell you how many 3s are in that number. Okay, so it obviously gets a bit tricky when we get to the bigger numbers, because then we have to use all 10 of our fingers, and maybe we also have to use 1 or 2 extra. But I'll go very slowly, and then you see if you can follow. Okay, here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27, 30, 33 and 36. So 33 has 11 because it's 10 and 1, which is 11 3s, and 36 has 10 and 2, which is 12 3s. So that is something that we will look at again tomorrow when we look at our 3s and our 6 times tables. So I'll see you in a moment for our bookwork, and you can get out your big blue book, the one with all the patterns, because we're going to work in that one, and your crayons, as well as any color pencil that you choose. See you now.